Hello everyone. I'm going to record this video on simple probability. Note the word simple. Shouldn't be difficult. So we represent probability with this capital P and then whatever the event is in parentheses. So I want to know, based on this bag of marbles, what's the probability that I'll pick a blue one? That's my question. What's the probability that I'm going to pick a blue marble? Well, I have to look at the bag and I have to see how many blue marbles are there. Hopefully you can see that there is 2 blue marbles. 2 blue marbles out of, you have to make probability a fraction, the total number of marbles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 total marbles. So the probability of picking a blue one is 2 out of 10. Now, I have to simplify that. To simplify it, I can't show you on this video, but you go to Desmos calculator and you type in 2 divide by 10 and it'll come up as a decimal. You have to click the fraction button right next to the decimal. Or you can use a calculator using the ABC button. So here we go. Simplifies as 1/5, also 20%. Hopefully that wasn't difficult. Let's do another one. Probability of green. Okay, let me look at my bag of marbles again. Okay, I have how many green? Gotta count. So it's really just counting. That's all you're doing. Green. 1, 2, 3, 4 green marbles. 4 green marbles. So I write 4 out of, well, there's still 10. I'm not getting rid of any. There's still 10. Simplifies to 2/5 or 40%. And let's do something slightly more challenging, but really not hard at all. Probability of yellow or red. So when we have 2, we have to make sure we count them all. We have 1 yellow and 1, 2, 3 red. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Out of the still 10, and you get 2/5, 40%. Okay, hopefully this helps. One last thing that you might see is, let's say, what's the probability of picking a purple one? Well, I don't see purple, so 0 out of 10 or 0%. Okay, that is all you have to do to find simple probability. You might not always have marbles. You might have other objects, tiles, letters, dice, whatever it may be, but it's still this simple, I promise.